Hey guys, this is Arpit Verma and you're watching Arpit Verma Tech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I would be teaching you about how to check your YouTube video analytics and how to check your YouTube channel analytics. So, first of all, you have to open your app Play Store, or if you are an iOS user, just click on the App Store. Now on the search engine, search for YouTube Studio. You have to download this. YouTube Studio is created by Google LLC and it is 100% safe and secure, so don't worry about it. Once downloaded, just click on the open button. After opening, you would get to a login page. You have to log in with the same Gmail ID that you have logged in on the YouTube account or your YouTube channel account. Then you would get here and you would get much more information about your YouTube channel. As you can see, I can see all the things that I would wish to. You can see impressions, traffic source type, top external resources and much more. That which are the people who view my videos or top countries and etc. etc. So this is how you can view your channel analytics. Now if you want to view any particular video analytics, just click on that video and just click on view more. You can see here I can see all the things about my YouTube video, real-time views and etc. etc. So hope you like this video and enjoyed. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can never miss any